What's up everybody, welcome back to another tutorial video and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm just going to walk you step by step on how to create an OCO bracket and how to use it. So if it's your first time into this channel, please subscribe and hit that bell notification for future video. So let's get to work. As a beginner, it's really important to understand how to use the OCO bracket. Before you jump into a trade, you just want to understand how to use the OCO bracket. So this is one of the reasons why I decided to come up with this video. The OCO bracket stand for one cancel the other. So I'm just pull up the ticker symbol around there. Let's say you want to buy the stock right here at 565. You click that and you go to custom with OCO bracket. Once you click that right there, it's going to tell you this is the buying. You're buying 100 shares, and now this is going to be just an example. You can just go out here and change the numbers of shares that you want to buy. This is buy, this is sell, and this is sell. So if you come down this way, you're going to see it say 566. This is the price that you're willing to buy the stocks. And 666, that's the price that you want to take profit. And 466 is the exit. Right now, it's all depends. You have 566 and you have 466. So this is your entry point, and this is going to be your stop loss. So that's going to be $1. I mean, you will be risking $1 if you decide to do it this way. Or otherwise, what you can do also, you can just go ahead and change this, right? Change it and put it to 5. And then instead of 66, he just put it to, for example, 30 cents. So which means if this stock goes down to 530, they can just exit the trade right away, right? Once you get this set up right here, this is the buying point, this is the profit taking point, and this is the exit in case the trade goes wrong against you. And you're just gonna click confirm. Once you revise everything, you know how many shares you're taking. You have to make sure everything match right here, right? And then you click confirm. Confirm tells you all the price, how much you'll be, investing while taking this trade, and then you can just go to send. See, this is your entry point right here. Stop loss, profit taking, which is stop limit. So if it goes all the way right, if the stock goes all the way right here, you will be making, this is the amount you will be making. If the stock goes against you, this is the amount you'll be losing. Okay, so it's really important to understand how to use the OCO bracket, especially if you're just a beginner. And why I'm saying that, because it's trading comes with a lot of emotion. The best way of thing to do right here is just to use the OCO bracket. This is the amount that I'm willing to lose in case the trade goes against me, and this is the amount I'm willing to take if the trade goes on my favor. So this is, so you can just move this around, down, up, as much as you want. You can put it right here, and then you send it. And your stop loss, same thing. You can just bring your stop loss down this way and then send it. Now once you get into the trade, once you get filled, this point right here will disappear right here. You see, goes up, goes up, goes up, goes up, and then when the trade goes against you, you take your profit. You don't need to stop you don't need to stop it right here and wait until the trade comes against you. So one thing that I want to point out before moving forward, every trader know the entry point, every trader know the exit point. Using the OCO bracket will help you when it comes to emotion, because now you understand that, okay, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna buy right here, I'm gonna take profit right here if it goes to that point, and I'm gonna put my stop loss right here if the trade goes against me. So at the end of the day, if it goes against you, you're like, okay, well, I wasn't expecting this, but I was prepared for it. All right, let's go on and put it into practice. I'm just gonna put it into practice and how you can use the OCO bracket in the live trading. So we're just gonna click right here on the price, and then we're gonna come down to customs, buy custom. And then buy custom, we're gonna click OCO. The amount of share that we're willing to buy, we want to buy, and I want to put like 20 share, for example, on this one. 20 share, buy, and sell 20, and stop loss 20. And then on the price right here, we're gonna put, this is the price because we're gonna buy it limit order. That's gonna be the market order, and then the profit taken will be 45.22, and then the stop loss will be 43.22. So I don't want to do 43.22, so I'm just going to change the order. In this case, it's going to be depending on how much you're willing to risk in a given trade. So well, I'll just, in the purpose of this video, I'll just leave it that way. I'll just leave it just like that, so you can just see it. And then I'm just going to wait for the right time to jump into this trade, how it's going to look on a live trading, So if I click confirm, and then we're just going to send it. Well, I don't want to send it right now. I just want to hold into it because it's not a time to jump into the trade. I also want to show you when and how you can use it. You know what I mean? So where and how you can use it. So in this case, I'm going to stay and wait for the right time to jump into this trade. Okay, so I'm looking for the MACD indicator, so in uptrend. I'm looking for the RSI, so in uptrend. Then I'll just jump right there. See, I'm just waiting to get filled. Now based on the stop loss, you see how you see, if it's based on the stop loss and the profit taken, there's a huge gap. Why? Is because I'm risking $1 into the trade. Well, I already got filled. You see right here, I already got filled. So in that case, what I can do, if I feel like I don't want to lose $1 into this trade, what I'm gonna do is just push my stop loss forward, push it right here, and I put it right there, right, and I'll send it. Now in case if the trade goes against me, and I'll be able to get off the trade right away with no hesitation. You see what I mean? So and when it comes to the profit, it may not hit $1, but all you can do too, you can just bring the trade right here and put it right there, or any other place that you decide to leave it, and then you're just gonna send it, and we're just gonna watch this trade. This is the reason why, as a beginner trader, you definitely want to use the OCO bracket, because trading comes with a lot of emotion. Let me see timeshare active trade. Active trade, we already up 20 cents right now. Active trade, and just get up 20 cents. This is an idea about how to use the OCO bracket on a live trading. So first of all, you definitely want to jump into that trade at the right time to be able to get that profit. Look at the MACD indicator, it's showing uptrend, and the RSI, it's showing downtrend. But for me, I'm more focused on the MACD indicator and the bullish candle. Make sure I have a bullish candle right here that gives me more confirmation, and then I have the MACD indicator showing uptrend. So this order right now, we already got filled. The only thing that remains is the stop loss and the profit taking sign. As a beginner trader, it's really important to understand how the OCO brackets work, because like I said, trading comes with a lot of emotion. Now by setting up the OCO bracket, definitely you already know how much you're willing to lose in this given trade, and you already know how much you're willing to make in this given trade. How the stock market works, it's 50%. It's not 100% all the time. So now just gonna focus. It seems like one thing that's killing right here is the volume. This trade right here, lack of volume. There's no volume right here. Just get out the trade right away. So if it breaks this line right here, which is the stop loss, that would definitely just you just get off the trade right away. It looks like the trade is it's coming to our favor. So when it comes to the moving average, I'm using the 20-day moving averages and the 200-day moving average. And right now the stock is below the 200-day moving average. This is a live trading market hour session, 15 minutes before the market closed. I hope you understand how it works. So it's really helpful, especially if you just start trading. If you're just a beginner, you don't keep your stop loss right here, because this is where you set it. You don't keep it right there. You just want to move it as the trade keep moving up. You just definitely want to move your stop loss, and it still looks like the trade has come to our favor, right? The reason why it happened this way is because you have to watch your entry point. For example, I see the bullish candle, and I look at the MACD indicator, but it looks like it's still going good. We have the market indicator about to cross the negative zone. This is about to cross the negative zone, and if you look at the RSI is also showing, it was showing uptrend, but it's now showing sideways. But we're gonna see another uptrend again and wait. So we're up 60 cents. Before you do that, you move your stop loss. Every time the trade move forward, you want to move your stop loss. Every time you move forward, you want to move your stop loss. Now move that forward. You don't have to move that right there, but you know, I'm just doing the purpose of this video. I just want to show you what's going to happen. You see, it's already filled up. Okay, we end up closing our position with 60 cents. Okay, it's a good way to maximize your profit and minimize your losses, especially if you're just a beginner. I want to say thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, just subscribe and hit that bell notification for future video. Thank you for watching.